Hello YouTube, I'm making this video today because my phone does not work. It's an Android and it does not turn on. Don't know why, but it doesn't turn on. Even with the charger, it doesn't even charge. So I'll try to turn it on and it doesn't. The button down. See, it just flashes. Charger's in good, it's plugged in. Yeah, it's like perfectly new. It's in good condition. No scratches, nothing.